Welcome to Wellington, New Zealand's captivating capital, where the vibrant pulse of the city meets the serene beauty of nature. Join us as we explore the iconic waterfront and delve into the wonders of the Te Papa Museum, including a thrilling earthquake simulation that brings history and geology to life. Nestled at the southern tip of New Zealand's North Island, Wellington boasts a stunning natural harbor, framed by lush, green hills. Known as the world's windiest city, it's a place where history, culture, and nature intertwine. The history of Wellington is a tale of resilience and growth. Established as the capital in 1865, it has evolved from a small indigenous settlement to a bustling metropolis rich in arts, culture, and heritage. Wellington's unique landscape is sculpted by its position on the Pacific Ring of Fire. The city sits on the boundary of the Pacific and Australian tectonic plates, making it a hotspot for seismic activity. This geological dynamism has shaped Wellington's breathtaking landscapes, from its rugged coastlines to its steep hillsides, offering a natural playground for adventurers and explorers. The heart of Wellington's charm is its vibrant waterfront, a place where history, culture, and leisure converge, offering stunning views, culinary delights, and a glimpse into the city's soul. Stroll along the promenade, visit the bustling markets, or simply enjoy the ocean breeze. The waterfront is Wellington's invitation to relax, explore, and connect.
We don't need to go. I mean, we'll just like 5 minutes. But we, yeah, want to be on the road. What's that? Oh yeah, maybe. Exotic.
As we walked, a unique sound captures our attention. It's the stirring melody of a bagpipe, played by a busker who brings a touch of Scottish tradition to New Zealand's capital. Dressed in a traditional tartan kilt, this musician stands as a testament to Wellington's multicultural tapestry.
raining tomorrow. It's raining in the morning. In the morning.
So we could do Tapapa in the morning then. There you go. Okay, we'll go today. Do you want to do hiking?
Oh, they do what's it called? They do the dragon boat. They do dragon boat. You should do that. Oh, you did? Oh, you went this way.
There's another harbour. There's a harbour tour.
Yeah, it looks like it's going like more now though. It's like
This is a final place.
yeah.
Is it flying fish? What time do we need to be here? How long does it take to
We have the BS.
Are you good with all the,
Yeah. What? That's the colours right there. It's really
Oh look, there's
It gets
giant,
really windy.
there's giant sand. I'm so swimming.
Yeah.
Look at the giant sand.
Yeah, that's endangered. It's endangered spawning. Sandal. Oh, it's a sea urchin. I thought it was-
I don't know, sandal.
I thought it was pickles. Can I walk along there?
No visit to Wellington is complete without exploring Te Papa, New Zealand's national museum, a modern marvel that celebrates the nation's art, history, and environment. Te Papa offers a journey through time and culture with its vast collections of interactive exhibits. It's a place where stories of New Zealand's past are brought to vivid life. Among its many attractions, Te Papa's earthquake simulation offers a unique and powerful experience. Step into the shoes of those who have lived through New Zealand's seismic events. This immersive exhibit not only educates, but also connects visitors to the geological forces that have shaped New Zealand. It's a reminder of the power of nature and the resilience of its people.
Yes, it's a vegetable caterpillar. Yes, fungal parasite. Oh, he's a cat. Okay, where are you going? I don't know what's in here.
Just being working very well. The two of us to hold it.
From the bustling waterfront to the immersive experiences of Te Papa, Wellington is a city that captivates the heart and ignites the imagination. It's a place where every corner tells a story, and every visit leaves a lasting impression. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Wellington. Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep sharing your stories.